What if the reason you're not making money from investing is not the market, but your mistakes? Most beginners don't fail because investing is hard. They fail because they repeat the same mistakes over and over again. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because here we simplify investing and money step by step for beginners.
Let's talk about the most common investing mistakes and how you can avoid them like a pro.
Mistake number 1, investing without understanding what you're doing. A lot of beginners see people making money online, so they jump in without learning anything. They buy random stocks, follow hype, and expect quick profits. But investing without knowledge is not investing. It's gambling. If you don't understand where your money is going, you're taking a huge risk. Mistake number 2, chasing fast money. Everyone wants quick profits. People see others doubling their money and think they can do the same. So they take big risks, invest in risky stocks, or follow trends blindly. But the truth is, fast money usually leads to fast losses. Real wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Mistake number 3, putting all your money in one place. This is one of the biggest mistakes. If that one investment fails, you lose everything. Smart investors always diversify. They spread their money across multiple investments. That's why ETFs are powerful, because they give you exposure to many companies at once. Mistake number 4, reacting emotionally. When the market goes down, beginners panic. They get scared and sell their investments. But when the market goes up, they get excited and buy at high prices. This is exactly the opposite of what smart investors do. Successful investors stay calm and think long-term. Mistake number 5, trying to time the market. A lot of people think they can predict when to buy and sell, but even professionals struggle with this. Trying to time the market often leads to missed opportunities. Instead of waiting for the perfect time, focus on staying invested over time. Mistake number 6, not investing consistently. Some people invest once, then stop. Others wait for the right moment. But consistency is everything. Investing small amounts regularly is more powerful than investing a large amount once. This strategy helps reduce risk and build long-term wealth. Mistake number 7, giving up too early. This is where most people fail. They don't see results in a few weeks or months, so they quit. But investing is a long-term game. Real results take time. The people who win are the ones who stay patient. So what should you do instead? Start small, but start now. Invest consistently every month. Focus on simple investments like ETFs. Avoid emotional decisions. And most importantly, stay patient.
Because investing is not about luck, it's about discipline. And if you can master that, you can build real wealth over time. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel.